Hello. Yours. Okay. Yours and I told some other also to present. Yes. Yes or no? Prasanna and whose turn is today to present? Nobody's. I also forgot whose turn was today. Manzila, is it your turn?
Maybe it was a boy.
Oh, Drishya. Drishya is here. Drishya, are you here?
Maybe he's not here.
He is not here. Okay. So I guess gradually he will come. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Prasanna, shall I give the screen to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, he has joined.
Drishya. Drishya,
Yes, ma'am.
today is your turn to present. Yes?
Ma'am, I don't make.
You didn't make. Why? Last time I told you to present. Yes or no? Yes or no, Drishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why not? Olchiko Pokoru. Prasanna, over to you. You can share the screen and you can start your presentation. Related to finance and modern distillery, right? Prasanna, you can share your screen. Okay. Yes, you can start, but your voice is very, very low, Prasanna. Can you speak a bit louder? Please speak louder or increase the volume of your laptop or mobile.
Alcohol production technology. A warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to be presenting about alcohol production technology. Introduction. Alcohol is a drink that contains ethanol. A type of alcohol is produced by fermentation of grains, fruits, and or other sources of sugar. The consumption of alcohol plays an important role in many of the cultures in Nepal. People have been producing alcohol in Nepal through traditional technology from ages. The production of alcohol goes through two major processes, fermentation and distillation. Types of alcohol producing technology. The two major ways of producing alcohol are furnace and modularity. Furnace. Furnace is a traditional technology that has been used to produce alcohol for ages. Furnace is a device or a system that is used for heating. A normal furnace is based on boiler or a heater. Furnace from ages has been a major component of alcohol production in Nepal. Grain particles, water, etc. is heated via furnace. The alcohol then vaporizes, first leaving a particles, water, etc. The vaporized alcohol is then cooled, condensed, and stored. modern distillery. As the name suggests, modern distillery is a modern technology used to produce alcohol. A modern distillery refers to where distillation takes place. Based on the concept of old age distillation method, distillery today use modern distillation methods. Today, modern distiller is used in the production of various kinds of alcohol and distilled water. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, alcohol production technology. Do you have any problem in whatever Prasanna have described? If you have any question to her, you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Sure. That means you understood everything. Then I guess I don't need to explain it again. Yes?
Ma'am, I wanna ask something.
Yes, yes. Ask, ask, ask.
Ma'am, how does modern distillery takes place?
Okay. Modern distillery takes place means?
Ma'am, I mean to say, what is the difference between furnace and modern distillery?
Okay. So basically, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But why your voices are so low today?
No, ma'am. Our voice is loud.
You wait, okay? Let me check my sound first. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the question, the difference between furnace and modern distillery. Yes, furnace is basically a local technology. We can say furnace is a very old technology in which the modern machineries are not used for production of the alcohol. Only the methods used in these two techniques, that is furnace and modern distilleries, are similar. That means in both of these methods, the fermentation of the alcohol is done as well as the distillation process is carried out. Case of furnace, only a smaller pot is used for production of the alcohol. Furnace is such a technology in which a very smaller pot-like structure is basically used for production of the alcohol. And it produces very lower amounts of alcohol that can be utilized or that can be consumed for two to three families. Clear? Besides this, it not uses the electrical heating system. In case of furnace, we use the natural heating system, that is, we use the firewood for heating of the boil or a heating of a heater. And when these boiler hits, when the boiler hits, several labels are present, several labels are kept in the furnaces, because of which the distillation process is carried out. But in case of modern distillery, as you have already seen in the picture itself, that your friend have shown, in case of modern distillery, it is a technique in which huge amount of alcohol production is done. It also uses the similar technology of the furnace, that is fermentation and distillation is done, but for the fermentation process as well as distillation process to take place, huge or larger machinery products are utilized. Larger machinery products are utilized for the production of huge amount of alcohols. But the methodologies used in both of these techniques are similar with one another. Clear? Okay. So basically, today we are going to study about the alcohol production technology. Alcohol production technology, sorry. Alcohol production technology or alcohol basically is one of the very, what do you say, very traditional liquid that is utilized in most of the houses. In some of the community, in some of the families, we have seen that alcohol is one of the very keen part of their cultures, keen part of their traditions, because of which the production of the alcohol has been taken place from very ancient period of time. From the very ancient period of time, people are using this particular technology for the formation of the alcohol, or people are making the alcohol within their houses. So in the ancient period of time, to make this colorless and volatile liquid, as we all are very familiar, alcohol is a colorless and a volatile liquid that can be prepared in our houses, or that can be prepared in the larger area, in the larger industries and factories to fulfill the needs and demands of larger number of the people. So basically, in ancient period of the time, people used to produce the alcohol by the use of furnace, by the use of a device called furnace. Furnace is generally a local technology that is utilized in larger number of houses. Nowadays, the industrial furnaces are also present, but these industrial furnaces are regarded as the modern distillery. But those traditional furnaces, the traditional furnaces that were used from the very ancient period of time, refers to a heater or a boiler. The furnace is simply a heater or a boiler that is used for production of a small quantity of the alcohol inside our houses. Furnace generally are used not only for the production of the alcohol, but furnaces are also used as the central heating system. But here the furnace that we are going to study is the furnace that is used to produce the steam, that is used to produce the hot water. It is used to produce the hot water that uses the distillation technique for the production of the alcohol. To produce huge amount of alcohol, or to produce the alcohol inside our houses, not only the furnaces or the boilers are used, but two clean technologies are also utilized by larger number of people. Without these two technologies, alcohol cannot be produced, whether it is inside our houses or in the larger scale. So basically, alcohol production technologies goes through two different stages, that is fermentation stage and distillation stage. In the fermentation stage is a type of stage in which the alcohol is produced, or alcohol is created from the raw material. Varieties of the raw materials are used, as we all are very familiar. Larger number of the raw materials are used in production of the alcohol. We all know that, yes, the millet substances can be used for the production of the alcohol. So fermentation process is simply a metabolic process. Fermentation process is simply a metabolic process in which the organic substances, like barley, similarly the rice, these all millet, these all substances enzymes, they will be changed into enzymes, or they will be changed into alcohol. Such process is regarded as the fermentation process. In this process, the raw materials are used, as I've already told you, the millet, barley, the rice, they are used as the raw material. And in these raw materials, certain other substances like yeast are added. After adding yeast and leaving it for some period of time, leaving it for 3 to 4 days or more days, it will be converted into several other substances, or it will be converted into sugar and starch. This is particularly a technology when the energy or the carbohydrates that are present in the foods are burned. The carbohydrate that is present in the foods are burned with the help of the yeast or any other substances that is kept inside it. Sometimes the microorganisms also helps in fermentation of the food material. So basically, this fermentation is a technique in which chemical changes takes place, or in which that produces generally the chemical changes in the organic substances through the action of the enzymes like is, and basically this technology is used in production of the alcohol. The fermentation technology is used in production of the alcohol. But after fermentation process, not only alcohol will be formed, but along with the alcohol, certain amount of the water and certain amount of other substances will also be formed inside during the fermentation in order to separate alcohol from several other substances. We use the distillation process. So in the fermentation process, generally we prepare the alcohol by utilizing larger number of the raw materials in their liquid form, and in distillation process we separate the alcohol from those other substances, or in distillation process we separate the alcohol from several other mixtures that are present within the particular substances. So as we all have already studied, distillation is simply a process in which we can separate the mixture of liquid and liquid substances, or separate the mixture of soluble substances from the liquid substances. So in this distillation process, the water from the alcohol is separated, or any other source present in the alcohol that may mix the alcohol will be separated from the distillation process. So generally, during the alcohol production, two major technologies are applied, that is fermentation technology, in which the raw materials in the liquid form are converted into the alcohol itself. And next one is the distillation process, in which alcohol is separated from any type of mixtures that may be present in a particular alcohol that is needed to be separate. So for these processes, for the separation of the alcohol or for the preparation of the alcohol, two methods are utilized, that is furnace and mollering. Furnace is a very local technology, as we all are very familiar. Furnace is a very local technology that is used by our ancestors, or that have been used very ancient period of time for the formation of the alcohol. Basically, when we talk about the furnace, we know that furnace is simply a substance, or furnace is simply a heater or a boiler. Any type of heater or boiler that can boil amount of water inside it, that can boil larger amount of the water inside it, is regarded as the furnace. In simple term, a device, a heater or a boiler that can boil larger amounts of the water inside it is regarded as the furnaces. Furnaces from the ancient period of time, it were used to heat our houses. It was used to heat our houses, as well as furnace was also used by the people for the production of smaller amounts of the alcohols that can be utilized by the people, that can be utilized by 2 to 3 families living nearby. This furnace or the device, this furnace or the heater or a boiler in closed chamber, in which heat is produced by boiling the water or boiling any other liquid substances. Basically, water is kept inside the furnace and it is heated inside the enclosed chamber. It is heated inside a very closed chamber. It is used for heating the building, that is used for reducing the smelling that occurs in a particular places, that are also used in the oil refineries, yes, to refine the oils, as well as it is also used in production of the alcohol technology. We can say it is a box-like structure, it is a vessel-like structure that can be closed from the upper portion, that can produce huge amount of heat to do varieties of activity. Devices is regarded as the furnace. And from the very ancient period of time, furnaces are used for several purposes. Furnaces are basically used as a central heating system when the ACs were not generated, where ACs were not made. Several types of heaters were not made, used to heat their houses by the help of the furnaces. First one uses that. Besides these, the furnaces are also used for the production of the alcohol inside the houses. And normal furnaces are The fernance that is used to produce the alcohol generally comprises of larger amounts of the water. It is a device that is used for heating, as we all know. So the grain particles which is needed to be converted into the alcohol is mixed with the water and kept inside the fernance. After that, the fernance is thoroughly heated. After heating the fernance for a certain period of time, the alcohol fermentation, the alcohol that is already fermented will vaporize, leaving other unwanted particles inside the fernance. The vaporized alcohol will be cooled down and it will be stored in the devices. So these fernance generally comprises of two different compartments. The fernance that is used to produce the alcohol generally comprises of two different components. That is a component that comprises of a component or a part that helps in taking the fermented alcohol, that helps in the fermented organic food materials, and another component will be present, another compartment will be present, which receives the vaporized alcohol without any difficulty. After the alcohol gets vaporized, it is cooled down and it is stored in a safer place so that it can be used later at the time of need. Clear up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me see if there is any videos that is related to the alcohol production. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm. I didn't find the local finances, picture of local finances or videos related to local finances. Basically, what we can understand from this is finance is simply a chamber-like structure. Finance is simply a device that uses two compartments. In one compartment, the raw materials, that is the liquid raw materials, that is the grain particles, fermented grain particles with the water is added to the furnace, then it is left to heat for some period of time. After heating for some period of time, the alcohol will be vaporized, and then vaporized alcohol will be collected in the another compartment that is just present above the furnace. And later on, this vaporized alcohol will be cooled down and stored in a particular place that can be utilized after a certain period of time. Basically, after heating the after heating the mixture for a certain period of time, the distillation of the alcohol and the other particles takes place. The grain particles will be separated from the water grain particles, the water will be separated or left inside the furnace itself, and the alcohol will vaporize first, leaving the other particles like water and the grain particles inside itself. That means in the furnace and in the modern distillery, we generally do the distillation process. The fermentation process is done behind, or fermentation process is done somewhere else, and after the fermentation takes place, the fermented alcohol will be kept inside the furnaces, it will be heated, and the distillation process will be carried out. Now, next one is the modern distillery. Modern distillery is the distillery that is used to prepare, the huge amounts of alcohol. The distillery that is used to prepare larger amounts of alcohol, or to produce the alcohol in a commercial level. Modern distilleries are very, very useful to larger number of the people. Modern distillery also works on the similar technology. That means modern distillery also works on the technology of fermentation as well as distillation process. This modern technology is a modern distillery is a modern technology for production of the alcohol. To the furnaces, modern distillery produces larger amounts of the alcohol that can be supplied to huge number of the people. So to do the commercial production of the alcohol, the modern distilleries are used. We have heard about several hard drinks that are prepared in larger areas. Those all hard drinks are prepared in the modern distilleries. These modern distilleries works on the principle of the furnaces. That means it also helps in distillation process, but distillation of the alcohol is done in a very, very greater amount. Larger amounts of the alcohol can be separated with the help of the modern distilleries from the water and other unwanted grain particles. So this modern distillery is also a chamber in which the distillation of the alcohol takes place. The alcohol that is originally mixed with water and the grain particles during the fermentation will be separated by the distillation process inside the modern distillery. This modern distillery generally works with the help of the electricity, unlike the homemade furnaces, or unlike the furnaces that was used in the ancient period of time. The modern distillery basically works with the help of the electricity or help of the non-renewable natural resources. The boilers that are present in the modern distillery are the furnaces. The metal furnaces that are present in the modern distilleries are heated with the help of the electricity, or they are heated with the help of the non-renewable natural resources. Larger number of the pipelines are connected to the furnace of the modern distillery. In case of homemade furnaces, in case of old age furnaces, the pipelines are not present. A small vessel are present. A small vessel is generally present that helps in collection of the alcohol, that helps in collection of smaller amount of the alcohol. But in case of modern distilleries, after the distillation process takes place, two separate chambers are present in which the unwanted particles as well as the alcohol will be let through. After the alcohol or the fermented alcohol boils inside the boiler or the furnace of the modern distilleries, it will be led through a pipeline to a separate chamber. One of the chamber will be collecting the unwanted substances like water as well as the solid grain particles that is not needed for us. Besides these, another chamber will be collecting the evaporated alcohol that has been vaporized by the furnace of the modern distillery. After it is collected in a So after it is collected a separate chamber as the distilled alcohol, then it will be collected in the jars, it will be collected in the bottles and supplied to the market area in the form of the modern prepared alcohol. So both of the working technologies of both of these devices, that is furnace, modern distilleries, are similar. That means both of these devices are used in distillation of the alcohol or to separate the alcohol from the grain particles as well as water. The major difference is furnace are generally, the furnace, old age furnaces are generally made from the pots. They are made from the clays. The furnaces are made from the clays itself. Or nowadays, we can also find the aluminium furnaces in the smaller or the local shops. Whereas the modern distilleries are generally the metal furnaces, use metal furnaces that can be used in the larger amounts of the larger factories. Besides these, the homemade furnaces are generally used to prepare lower amounts of the alcohol, whereas the modern distillery can be used to prepare larger amount of the alcohol that can be supplied in a commercial label. Besides the furnaces that are utilized in our houses, it comprises of only two different compartments. Two different compartments are present that help in distillation of the alcohol. At the very lower level of the furnaces, we keep the fermented alcohol, and at the middle of the fermented alcohol, we keep a smaller vessel in which the vaporized alcohol will be collected after cooling for some period of time. Whereas in a modern distillery, larger pipelines are added that eventually supplies the distilled alcohol to a separate chamber without any difficulty. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Or is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, it is dangerous then further.
Okay, basically most of the machineries are dangerous. We all are very familiar about the fact, yes? Yes
Yes.
or no? Most of the machineries are dangerous if they are not used properly, if they are not handled properly, it can cause any type of accidents. But if we handle properly, both of these things are safer. The modern distillery as well as furnaces, both are safer. But we need to handle it very, very carefully. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I guess today we will do up to here. And Drishya, you have joined again. Yes, Drishya? Drishya is present or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You are present. So next time, if you do not prepare your presentation, you will be punished. And you know the online punishment system, yes? There will be reduction of your practical marks. Clear or not? Clear, Drishya?
Yes, ma'am.
So next time, please prepare the plowing technologies that are used in our agricultural as well as the modern technologies that are used nowadays for the plowing of the field. That is your presentation for next time. I guess this is the last chapter. Yes, we need to study.
Ma'am, के को presentation में?
Drisha, plowing technology. Did you find plowing technology in your book? Go through your book. After furnace and distillery, modern distillery, you can find a plowing technology. Did you find medicinal plant?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, that is not in our drum syllabus.
Yes, ma'am. It is not in our second term syllabus.
It is not in our second term syllabus.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last we studied floriculture. No, we studied
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
flower garden.
Yes, ma'am.
Studied.
Floriculture.
Yes, we studied. Yes.